Bonjour chérie, comment vas-tu? Bienvenue à la classe aujourd'hui encore. Aujourd'hui, on va regarder les profections en français. Aujourd'hui, je vais vous enseigner la profection ou les profections. Avant de commencer, je vais avant traduire en anglais. Hello, how are you doing there? I guess you are doing great. Good. Today I'm going to be taking you on professions. I'm going to be teaching you what? Professions. That's our occupation, our job, what we do for a living. Okay? We are going to look at the name of those professions, how to pronounce them in French. C'est clair? Maintenant, je vais commencer. Avant de commencer, je veux dire qu'est-ce que c'est la profection. Qu'est-ce que c'est la profection? Voilà, la profection est ce qu'on fait pour gagner sa vie. Je répète encore, je dis la profection est ce que l'on fait pour gagner sa vie. C'est-à-dire en anglais, profession is what one is doing to earn or living. Do you get it? La profession est ce que l'on fait pour gagner sa vie, which means profession is what one is doing to earn or living. That is the meaning in French. We all have our occupation, we all have our profession. Do you get it? Now we are going to learn this profession in French. Now, alors, qu'est-ce que c'est ça? Ça, c'est la cuisinier. La cuisinier. A male is called cuisinier. The word of female is called cuisinier. La cuisinier. La cuisinier simply means what? A cook. La cuisinier means what? A cook. Do you get it? Bravo. Now, what is a cook called in French? La cuisinier. And the masculine one is called what? Un cuisinier or le cuisinier. Do you get it? Okay, that is a profession, okay? Now, let's move on to the next one. What's the next one? Un docteur. Un docteur. Or you can say le médecin. Un docteur ou le médecin. You can say le médecin or un docteur. C'est la même chose. Okay? Un docteur simply means what? A doctor. Un docteur means what? A doctor. C'est clair? Bravo. Now let's take a look at the next one. Voilà. Le boulanger. Le boulanger. Le boulanger simply means what? A baker. Can you repeat after me? Say le boulanger. Le boulanger. Good. And a female baker is called la boulangère. Okay? La boulangère. But this particular one is called what? Le boulanger. What is a baker called in French? Le boulanger. A baker is called what? Le boulanger. Bravo. Now let's move on to the next one. Regardez. Ça, c'est le profection en français encore. Ça, c'est le boucher. Le boucher. Qu'est-ce que c'est ça? Le boucher. Le boucher, which means what? A butcher. Le boucher means what? A butcher. Now, what is a butcher called in French? Le boucher. A butcher is called le boucher. Bravo. Le boucher is a profession. Okay? Now, let's move to the next one. Voilà. Le professeur. Le professeur. Le professeur. What is le professeur? A teacher. Now, écoutez-moi très bien. Je suis le professeur de français, which means I am a French teacher. So that's my profession. Okay? Le professeur means what? A teacher. Le professeur means what? A teacher. Now, what is a teacher called in French? Voilà, le professeur. Le professeur. C'est clair? Oui, c'est clair. Bravo. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Le policier. Le policier. It's called what? Le policier. It's called what? Le policier. What is a police called in French? Le policier. You see? C'est la prononciation, c'est un peu différence. C'est un peu différence. Le policier, police. Le policier, police. Now, what is a police called in French? Le policier. Okay? Le policier is called what? A police. Good. Now, let's move to the next one. Le dentiste. Le dentiste. What is le dentiste? A dentist. Okay? Le dentist means what? That is what? A dentist. People that take care of our teeth. Now, where we get the dentist from is from what? Teeth. You know how do we pronounce teeth in French? Don't. Les, don't. Now, look at it. Les, don't. Now, the dentist is called what? Le dentiste. Do you get it? Le dentiste. C'est clair? Bravo! Oui, c'est clair. Bravo. Now, let's take a look at another profession in French. Voilà, la femme de chambre. La femme de chambre. What's la femme de chambre? That is a maid. La femme de chambre simply means what? A maid, our housekeeper. Okay? The housekeeper, they are called what? La chambre de, la femme de chambre. La femme de chambre. C'est clair? Bravo. Now let's take a look at another one. Le pompier. Le pompier. What's le pompier? Le pompier simply means what? A firefighter. Le pompier means what? A firefighter. Good. What is a firefighter called in French? A firefighter is called what? Le pompier. Bravo. Now let's take a look at another one. Regardez. Le pilote is called what? Le pilote means what? A pilot. Le pilote means what? A pilot. Or you can call it un pilote. Un pilote. C'est clair? C'est oui, c'est clair. C'est clair? Oui, c'est clair. Bravo. Voilà, le conducteur. Le conducteur. It is either you call it le conducteur or you call it le chauffeur. It is either you call it le conducteur or you call it what? Le chauffeur. Le conducteur simply means what? A driver. Le conducteur means what? A driver. Now, when you hear the word le conducteur, don't think it's a conductor. It is what? A driver. Le conducteur. Then le chauffeur. C'est clair? When I say c'est clair, what will you say? Oui, c'est clair, Madame Evelyn. Now let's look at another one. What's that? Is what? La comptable. La comptable. What's la comptable? An accountant. La comptable means what? An accountant. Good. What is an accountant called in French? La comptable. La comptable. From the word compter. Compter, comptable. Compter, comptable. So la comptable simply means what? An accountant. Good. What is an accountant called in French? La comptable or incomptable. Incomptable or la comptable. Bravo. Voilà. Électricienne. Électricienne. What's electrician? An electrician. Electrician means what? An electrician. Okay? Électricienne. Électricienne. Bravo. Now let's take a look at the next one. Homme d'affaires. Homme d'affaires. What is homme d'affaires called in English? A businessman. Homme d'affaires means what? A businessman. Or you can say une femme d'affaires. When you say une femme d'affaires means what? A businesswoman. Une femme d'affaires, homme d'affaires. Une femme d'affaires, homme d'affaires. Okay? Homme d'affaires simply means what? A businessman. Then what is a businesswoman called in French? Une femme d'affaires. Bravo. Regardez. Ça, c'est un banquier. Un banquier. What's un banquier? A banker. Un banquier means what? A banker. Then a bank is called un bank. Then why a banker is called what? Un banquier. Do you get it? Bien, très bien. Let's take a look at the next profession. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? La fonctionnaire. Qu'est-ce que c'est la fonctionnaire? La fonctionnaire means what? A civil servant. La fonctionnaire means what? A civil servant. La fonctionnaire means what? A civil servant. Good. La fonctionnaire means a civil servant. Now let's take a look at another one. La chanteuse. La chanteuse. What's la chanteuse? A singer. La chanteuse means what? A singer. Then when it's a boy, we call it le chanteur. Le chanteur. Then the female is called la chanteuse. Okay? Good. Let's move ahead. Voilà. Le facteur. Le facteur. Qu'est-ce que c'est le facteur? A postman. Le facteur simply means what? A postman. Now, what is a postman called in French? Le facteur. These are the people that deliver what? Letters. Okay? Le facteur means what? A postman. Okay? Good. Voilà. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Have you ever imagined what a lawyer is called in French? What is a lawyer called in French? L'avocate. L'avocate. When you say l'avocate, it simply means the female lawyer. L'avocate is what? The female lawyer. Then while l'avocat is the male lawyer. Okay? L'avocate. Get it right, okay? L'avocate. That is a female lawyer. L'avocat or male lawyer. You find out that in the spelling of the male lawyer, there is no E. And the T there is what? Silent. Okay? L'avocat. L'avocat. Avocat. Like avocado. Okay? But it is not the same meaning. C'est clair? L'avocat is a female lawyer, then while l'avocat is a male lawyer. Now, if I ask you to name 5 professions in French, hope you will be able to name them. And what are they? Can you list them for me? They are, I'm listening. Okay. We have la fonctionnaire. What's the next one? La chanteuse. Which other one? Le facteur. L'avocat. Good. I love that. I hope you enjoy this class. And I believe from now on you can be able to name professions in French. Hope you can name professions in French now. Good. I love that. Now we are going to stop here today. Okay? Merci beaucoup et au revoir. À bientôt, mon ami.